Today we are making a 15-minute chicken and cabbage stir-fry that actually tastes like takeout but better. It's quick, delicious, and you only need one pan to make it. So let's get cooking, shall we? We are starting with the chicken. I'm using a chicken breast today, but you can use chicken thighs as well. Cut it lengthwise into 1-inch strips. Then slice them thinly. Thin slices cook faster, and that's what we want in a stir fry. Now we are going to marinate it. Add some soy sauce, a dark soy sauce, cornstarch, and a tiny bit of baking soda to the chicken. Mix everything together. You want all the chicken to be covered with the marinade. This process is going to help the meat stay tender and juicy while cooking. While that sits for 5 minutes, grab your cabbage. We are not looking for perfection here. Just cut your cabbage into slices. Now, mince some garlic, slice some onions, and we are ready for cooking. Get a pan over medium heat. Add some oil. Once it is hot and smoking, drop the cabbage in. Then lower your heat just a little bit. It will help not to burn the cabbage before they are cooked. Toss the cabbage around and cook it for about a minute. Then remove it from the pan and set aside. We will add them later. Now it's time to cook the chicken. Get the same pan and add some more oil if needed. Then drop the chicken in. Spread it out into a single layer and let it sear. Do not overcrowd the pan. Cook in batches. It will help to fry the chicken quickly and properly. Now, don't move the chicken too much. We want those golden brown crispy bits. You can flip them once one side is cooked. Once it is cooked through, make some space in the pan and add the minced garlic. Toss in the garlic for a few seconds. Now add the sliced onion. I'm adding it now so it won't get overcooked. Now I'm adding some chili flakes followed by ground black pepper. It's going to give that spicy touch the chicken needs. Now it is time to add the sauces. Add some soy sauce, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, and some sugar. Mix them well until all combine. The sugar is going to help balancing out the saltiness in the sauces. Now dump in the cabbage along with the spring onions. Toss it and mix until all coated with the sauce. Then turn off the heat. That's it. You have cooked the perfect chicken and cabbage stir fry. Look at that. Tender chicken, charred cabbage, and sauce that beats the local takeout every single time. Serve this over a big bowl of rice noodles or my personal favorite, some crispy fried rice. Actually, if that's what you're looking for, I have done a video on how to make the perfect fried rice at home. Make sure to check that out right after this. I have dropped the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.